So welcome to my class in continuation with Unit 2, and in that we are doing continuous series, and in the last class we talked about mid values. From mid values, how do you work out the lower limit and the upper limit? And in this we are going to talk about adjusting frequency. Sometimes you get they're different, the gap, the class interval is different. So in order to make the study more interesting, say, or better understood, it's always better to make the frequencies equal. So just have a look if you can see this, simply put. So what do you notice? That's a numerical that has been given to you, that we see that they are small size frequency, like 2, 0 to 2 is 2, 2 to 5 is 3, that's the difference. Then you have 5 to 8 is 2, then you have 5 to 8 is 3. The difference, I'm talking about the class interval difference. Okay, so you can see them into groups. So they've been grouped into, there is a semblance of order, but still it is like 2, 3, 3, 2, and then suddenly 15 to 20, it is the difference is 5, and from 20 to 30 you see there's a difference of 10, the class interval we are talking about. So when we are trying to bring about some semblance of adjusting the class intervals, the unequal class intervals, so we have to take into consideration even the frequencies. So here we've seen the small size class intervals can be merged into one large size class interval. For example, the frequency of this large size class interval will be the sum of the total of frequencies of small sized class intervals. So you have to take care of the frequencies while you're making any adjustment with your class interval. Let's take the example. The largest class interval is 10. So the class group, that is a class group 20 to 30, has a class interval of 10. So if we take this class interval throughout the frequency distribution, then we'll have only 3 class groups, namely 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30. So this class interval doesn't really seem appropriate. Okay. So here it will be appropriate to have a class interval of 5, say. So taking the class interval of 5, we get the following frequency distribution with equal class interval. You can see that? Okay, so what did we do? 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So 0 to 5, what did we do? We merged it up. So what did you merge? The frequencies, 2 plus 3, 5. Now 5 to 10, what did you do? 5 plus 9, 14, 10 to 15. So what did you do? 10 to 12 and 12 to 15, 7 plus 6. Alright, 30. Of course, 15 to 20 is 4. And the last one, what did we do? Now look at that. So last one, there were 4 of them. So we did it as 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. So perhaps in 20 to 25, there was only 1, and in 25 to 30 the group frequency was 3. So that is how you can make these adjustment of the class interval and the frequencies, and it'll make the study much simpler and effective for that matter.